In this video, I will show you how to pay school fees in installments and still save money. And if you have the Smart Split Calculator app, about 90% of what I'm about to show you is done for you automatically. You can download it from the Google Play Store or the App Store if you're on an iPhone or iPad. For this example, we'll use 510,000 shillings. Step 1. Decide which mobile money provider you want to use, yellow or red. In this example, we'll use yellow, but everything I'm showing applies to red as well. Step 2. Identify which band your school fees amount falls into. In our case, 510,000 shillings falls into this blue band. Step 3. And this is very important. Check whether your school fees amount falls within the cannibalism range. This blue band cannibalizes all these small bands up to 500,000 shillings. So the cannibalism range here covers any school fees payment between 500,001 and 1 million shillings. Since 510,000 falls within the cannibalism range, paying it all at once will cost you more, so you're better off splitting the payment into two. Step 4. Identify the anchor band. When splitting manually, one of your installments must come from the band just above the one you would have used for a single payment in Step 2. In this case, that means this band here. And as a rule of thumb, always pick the maximum value of the anchor band. So in our example, we take 500,000 shillings from this band and use it as the first school fees transaction. Step 5. Calculate the remaining balance and pay it as your second installment. This will come from any of these smaller bands here that this blue band cannibalizes. Therefore, the remaining 10,000 shillings falls right here in this band. After this second transaction, you instantly save 1,500 shillings. Now, as a quick bonus, let's walk through a real bill payment example. This is an actual school fees bill that I extracted from an end-of-term circular issued to a child in middle class at a nursery school in Mukano. The bill covers Term 1 of 2026 and totals 1,242,000 Ugandan shillings. Looking back at our chart, you'll notice that this amount falls into a different band. This time, this one here. If we pay this amount as a single transaction, the fee would be 5,150 shillings, as you can see in this blue band. However, our analysis reveals something important. This blue band here cannibalizes all these smaller bands above it, specifically from here up to 500,000 shillings. Therefore, the cannibalism range for this band starts from 1,001 shillings up to 1,500,000 shillings as shown on this horizontal scale. Since our school fees amount falls within this cannibalism range, we will save money by splitting this school fees payment instead of paying it all at once. Here's how. We use the band just above this blue band as our anchor band, taking its maximum value, 1 million shillings, as the first transaction. Then the second installment will come from any of these smaller bands that this blue band cannibalizes. In our example, the remaining 242,000 shillings falls right here within this band. By completing these two split payments, we instantly save 1,350 shillings. Now, just imagine the impact of these savings if you're paying school fees for, say, 5 children every term, as many families do. And remember, if you're using the Smart Split Calculator app, it handles all of this mathematics for you. It automatically suggests the optimal split and even lets you explore alternative combinations in just a few taps, as you can see on your screen. Best of all, the savings stay right in your mobile money account, giving you extra cash for your child's school requirements like books, pens, or even pocket money.